In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start dropshipping with Wix. So how you can import or add dropshipping products to your Wix store. So for this, you want to make sure you have a site, you created a site on your Wix account, which is a store. If you don't have a store account or store website, I'm sorry. Go to my sites at the top, create a new one, and then select an online store. Once you've done that, you will be in the dashboard of your Wix account. That's what you want to do as well. Then go to site action and go to edit site right like this. And then it's going to bring us to the editor page of our Wix website, basically our Wix Webstore, where we can edit the theme and edit the website. There we go. This is the theme I'm using. And the next step is go to the panel at the left, go to add apps, and just to confirm here, it's a store. It says my store. If you have my store on this panel, that means you're good. So go to add apps then, and then you want to find a app that's called Spocket, because Spocket is a US and European Union dropshipping company. So it's basically a higher quality AliExpress or Alibaba. They have pretty high quality products with US and EU warehouses where they store their products. So it's not from China, but this is actually pretty high quality. So you want to hit add to site and then go hit in head, and then it's going to connect to Wix. So this may take a couple of minutes, but there we go. Now we can just click away, and when we refresh, it's going to take a few moments again. So let's wait till it's loaded again. So there we go. Now it's almost done. And when we go to add again and go to this one again, I'm sorry, and we search for Spocket again, you can see that it has been added to your website. Go to Spocket, and as you can see, it's installed. And now we can hit open. So yeah, this will bring up Spocket, and now we can find a lot of products that are on here. So you can just skip this and then go to all the product lists. Right here we can enter a keyword. So for example, dogs stuff, so just enter in dog toys, and this is a great way to find good products that are selling well. We can even select ships from so I live in European Union, I select EU. There we go. And let's say we want to find this product, but why this is great, you can see this ships from Ireland. The listing cost is $8, and the retail price is almost is more than $12. So you have $3 profit, and the days to ship are 15 to 21 days. Let's hit add import. There we go. And you have to select a plan. So you can select the starter plan, especially if you're starting out. 25 unique products is more than enough, but this is the best way to start dropshipping with Wix. With Spocket. So you can just hit start now, then choose the monthly payment method, upgrade to starter. There we go. And now you have to add a payment method, and then you can start dropshipping with Wix and Spocket. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.